So hi student, welcome back, and today we are going to learn about GPS global positioning system. So as we all know, today in our phone we have GPS, and GPS is something that is available since, here didn't say, but here it available since 1955. 1995, sorry, 1995. That's why during my time when I was small, I don't have GPS. GPS only got in Batman car in the movie. And it's my always a dream, in my life. It's always my dream to have a GPS system. And now it's so common. I also don't know why. But last time when I was small, I really never think that we can really got this GPS, Actually, last time GPS usually used in military for for war, to help people, to save people. So usually it's GPS. But after 1995, they start to make it available for me and you to use. And I think wow. So around your age will be like 2000 plus, right? Now you are watching my video. So means when you born that time already got GPS system. So you are, I wouldn't say lucky. Is it lucky? Not same lah. I am also very lucky. I get used to enjoy many things that you guys don't need enjoy. I know you all got phone and TV. Last time I don't have phone and TV, but I enjoy my childhood very much. I got bicycle. Bicycle is our life, and I can cycle very far to the everywhere is pokok kelapa during my time. So not very far if you cycle very far, then my mom will scold me. But it's very nice. Then we cycle, we play with the neighbor, everyone. It's a kampong not like now. Everyone sit inside their house. Last time people, we all know each other in the kampong, man. So this is something that you cannot enjoy. But don't worry, don't be sad. You can still enjoy GPS and Mobile Legend. Global Positioning System, GPS, is a navigation, give information on location and time. So GPS can give location and time also very important because it can give us the time and the accurate time. I never think of synchronization of time, unless GPS also. GPS not only give you location but give you the time. Last time during my time is always not accurate, Time is like your watch fast 5 minutes, my watch slow 3 minutes. So how to get the most accurate time is we wait for the news and TV7. Last time no TV7, TV3. So when the TV3 come already, I faster wait because got the news one I follow the news. Yes, that's the most accurate time that we can get. But now got GPS, oh my gosh. What you need to do is you just synchronize my computer time. Your handphone is synchronized with Malaysia time, so every day your handphone time is very accurate because it is synchronized. So it's something new technology lah. The thing to synchronize time is not cheap, This satellite they have one thing that to synchronize time. I forget what is it called. It costs million, 50 million if I'm not mistaken. It's they can follow the time like 0.00001% of a fraction, which is very important. The time you need to get as accurate as possible, especially for the financial stock market, correct or not? Because your stock market buy 1 second before and 1 second after, it's a lot of different, 100,000, 1 million is gone, I don't know, because it's a stock market. So we want to get a very, very accurate time, especially for the financial system, stock market, changing of currency and so on. So GPS also able to give us a very precise location and time. So yeah, I think it's a very amazing new technology. How GPS function? So GPS function, so everywhere we have our planet, we have a satellite. Is it say how many satellite we have? But I know it's many, 80 plus, is it? Not mentioning here, but I know there's many satellite. up in our sky. So GPS is divided into 3 segments. Okay, we divided it into the control segment, then we have the space segment, then we have the user segment. So what is a control segment? Actually, this is the first time I teach this topic, so I'm not sure what the exam might ask, but we can see that the control segment is made up of master control unit, master control station, alternatively master control station, command control antenna, as well as monitor station. So we can see this is the control segment. Okay, space segment, master control station, control segment. So basically we can see that the control machine is to receive the information, correct or not? Signal received by the monitor station. So you want to receive the information from the GPS, and it will generate message, navigation message to the also it's a thing to get information from the satellite. Yeah, but now it's very high tech, right? Not only this control segment can get information, but our phone, any phone also can get the thing, and it doesn't need Wi-Fi, it doesn't need internet. So eventually you can use your GPS for free. I also like, wow, this world got free thing one, I also don't know. This world got no free thing. I don't know why they give us free. Maybe they can take our information or use for war, or I don't know, secret information they want. Because I don't believe this world got free thing. But you turn off your Wi-Fi and 3G internet. 3G, I don't know when it turn on or not, but it doesn't need Wi-Fi for your GPS. So they're doing it for free. But this world got nothing free. Maybe they want to steal information or what, or I cannot think of it. But most of the satellite GPS owned by US. So is it because US want to get more data, so that something bad happened, they got the first hand of data? I don't know. Nobody know, because this world no free thing one. Okay, GPS made up of satellite network. GPS orbit the Earth at 20,000 kilometers. Semi-synchronous orbit, figure 9.1, with an orbital period of 12 hours. Okay, so we can see that the satellite is has its own orbit the Earth. At the angle, at least 4 satellites can be seen at the angle of 15 degrees, and at any horizon exists at any time. Means anywhere that you stand right now, up you got 4 satellites by at least from the distance of 15 degrees. Not 180 degrees lah. 180 degree means down, but 15 degree is up a bit lah, up a bit. At least there are 4 satellites that you can determine you. So why actually the whole Earth it need 3 satellites to cover the whole place. Only 3 satellites can cover the whole place of a planet. So how this satellite get your location? Actually, they are determined by how far you are from the location. Let's say if you only got 1 satellite, it doesn't work, or 2 satellites, it doesn't work. You get what I mean or not? Because you cannot find your location. Let's say here, he say here 15,000 kilometers, 20,000 kilometers, 20,000 km. Here he say 25,000 km. Here say 20,000 km. Here say 30,000 km. So by knowing how far we are in, we know the location we are in. For example, this is a person. So maybe I should draw the satellite. For example, the satellite don't know where you are, but the satellite know how far you are. By, for example, I put a satellite here. Put a satellite. How to draw satellite? Like this lah. Let's say I draw a satellite. The satellite can determine around, you are 50,000 kilometers away. So I draw a circle, 15,000 kilometers away. And then there's one more satellite here. The satellite here say you are 20,000 kilometers away. So it will be around here, for example. And there is a satellite here. then I draw the location, then I know, oh, where are you? You are here. Because I got 3 satellites, I draw the circle, then I can find your location, and you are quite there. That's why GPS is quite accurate. It won't be too far apart because you are really quite accurate, right? Because satellite. But actually it need 4, so there's another satellite here, for example. You draw a circle, then you get the precise location. Okay, you get a precise location at here. The reason I draw 3 at here because this is a 2D. You learn mathematics, right? It is just a 2D image. So in a 2D image, three circle will be quite accurate. But because our Earth is 3D, so if you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, only you get the more, of course, more satellite, more precise your information. Okay, so that's why they have 4 satellite. Okay, and yeah, then we can get the distance very clear. But how you know that the satellite know that you are 20,000 kilometers away? Okay, they are using the clock. Their clock is very precise. When they send the signal will go back, and it takes time. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 0.01 second, for example. 0.10 second, 0.01 second for the signal to go back. So 0.0 second times the speed of light, let's say 0.0, speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. So 300,000 kilometers per second times 0.01, so you get 1, 2. Yeah, so you need divided by 100, so you cut 2, you actually 300,000 kilometers away. So by the speed of light, we can know how far we are. Okay, how far we are with the satellite. Of course, satellite is very accurate. Okay, they calculate the time by 0.0001, for example. So they know the time to take the signal, and then they will know the distance. But distance not enough. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I got your 4 distance of the satellite, I can know your location. Where are you standing? Okay, then we have user segment to determine the format either by DMS, degree, minute, or second, or decimal degree. This one is mathematics. I think you can learn from mathematics from 5, is it? From 3 geography. So this is degree, time, and minute. Okay, and one more is decimal degree. But I prefer decimal degree, like easy for me. Now it's very high tech. Last time I still remember I buy Garmin GPS for my car. Because I scared I type the address wrong. Because when you type Jalan Ikan Emas, a lot of Jalan Ikan Emas. So I prefer to save my position by GPS coordinate by decimal. Sometimes I press wrong, degree, minute, second. So I just press decimal, easier. Now very high tech already. No need me press the number. You can just go Google and then push the map, put the pin, go there. Very high tech. Geographic coordinate can be written down in 2 formats. This one from 3 you learn already. Okay. 3.3 is equal to this one. This one is equal to this one. I think maybe the exam will ask you to calculate. So you make sure you know how to calculate. You can just use your calculator and type, and straight away can get the answer. Okay, so in case how you want to do this is, let's say your exam asks in objective, you can straight away use your calculator to press the answer. I think for the black or the silver 570 also you can get the answer. Okay, so now I want you to try, take the calculator. I want to teach you how to use this convert to this. Okay, press 3 and then press the, because here is the dot this is the dot, right? The dot is actually this button, this dot button. Show you again here, this button. Can see or not? this dot button. This is the button. So you press dot, press this one, the dot button, like comma like that. Then you will got something like this. I don't know you can see or not. 3 dot. So press 3 dot 08 dot. Wait, 08 dot. After that you press 22.04 dot. 22.04 dot. So basically after you press, you got something like this. Can see or not? Okay, 3.08 dot 22.03 dot. After you dot, press equal, then press ENG. Can find ENG or not? So when you press ENG, you will got 3.1394555556. 3.1394555556. Then you can straight away get the answer. To get back the decimal, you just need to press the decimal and you grab back the decimal. Wait, let me press 3.139456. Press equal, press this one. Yeah, it's the same thing. From decimal to this one, so you can do the same thing, okay? Just press the number, for example, 3 dot blah 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 blah. Press equal, let's say this number, press equal, then press the minute. Press this one minute, this button, press the minute, and you will got the decimal point, okay? So, yeah, who knows they ask this in exam and you just got a free mark for your exam. The direction of east and west of GPS coordinate DMS are based on Greenwich Meridian. This one also we learned in Form 3 Geography, okay? Where does the DMS are based on Greenwich Meridian? Where does the time start? Because Malaysia time is not same as US time, so the time is actually based on a starting place of a position. Who determine the country start the time first? That's very weird. Next time we need to study like who is the first person that say we must follow a 12 o'clock clock and everyone must follow. Okay, users of GPS. So why we want to use GPS? So that we can go to KLCC. You can go to anywhere you want to go now very high tech already. So Google Map also give for free. As I mentioned, this world there's nothing free, okay? Because they want to get your data. Okay, when you type in, you got the data, and from your data they can sell it and earn money. Okay, so a lot of people want to buy your data. Okay. So let's do this few questions. What is the meaning of GPS? Very good. Global GPS is a navigation system will give information on location and time to its user in all weather conditions. Yeah, but sometimes raining the GPS get not accurate, though you still can use, but sometimes no signal during raining that time. How does GPS function? Okay, so how GPS function? So GPS is made of 3 segments: the control segment, space segment, and user segment. So how it function actually got a lot depend on the question, but I also think it's the 3 more basic answer unless the question is 3 mark or 4 mark. Okay, next question. Question number 3. What are the uses of GPS? So GPS is used for navigation purpose in various types such as land, sea, air, space, and transport system. Okay, so these are the example of GPS. But I'm still feeling weird because in China, the flood, so people die in the flood, especially in the subway train. So I'm thinking like if you got GPS, why the people still die in the train? Maybe not enough time is it to get them out. Hopefully this thing won't repeat China people die in the train due to the flood. What are the benefits of notification of road accident in navigation application to road user? So when you use Waze that time, I always use Waze. So actually I want to track the police, see whether got police or not. But I just kena my saman. But what are the benefit of notification of road accident? So I like to turn on the GPS because you can know the accident in front, so you will slow down your car. So maybe I can say driver will slow down their vehicle driver will slow down their vehicle for safety reason, safety purpose, for example correct or not? Because what are the benefit of notification of road accident so you will slow down so that for your safety and you won't drive too fast, and we can okay. Okay, so I teach until here, and we take a short break. I see you in the next 10 minutes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.